Sir Isaac Newton, the architect of modern science, the man who defined the universe. When we look at the stars, launch rockets into space, or calculate the speed of a moving car, we unknowingly rely on the ideas of one man, Sir Isaac Newton. Born into a world still ruled by superstition and tradition, Newton reshaped human understanding through logic, mathematics, and observation. His discoveries created the foundation of classical physics, shaping science for over 300 years. This documentary explores the life, struggles, discoveries, and lasting legacy of Isaac Newton, one of the greatest minds in human history. Early life and childhood. Isaac Newton was born on December 25, 1642, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. He was born premature and so small that few believed he would survive. His father died before his birth, and when his mother remarried, she left Isaac in the care of his grandmother. This emotional separation deeply affected him, making him quiet, reserved, and deeply introspective. As a child, Newton showed remarkable creativity. He built sundials, water clocks, miniature windmills. Although not outstanding in school at first, his intelligence soon became evident. His teachers encouraged him to pursue higher education, leading him to Cambridge University in 1661. Cambridge and the Scientific Awakening. At Cambridge, Newton studied mathematics, philosophy, and astronomy. He was influenced by the works of Galileo Galilei, Johannes Kepler, and René Descartes. However, formal education could not satisfy his curiosity. Newton preferred independent study, filling notebooks with original ideas and questions. In 1665, a deadly outbreak of the Great Plague forced the university to close. Newton returned home, unaware that this isolation would change science forever. The Year of Wonders. Between 1665 and 1667, Newton experienced what historians call his annus mirabilis, or Year of Wonders. During this time, developed calculus, a new branch of mathematics, discovered the laws of motion, formulated the theory of universal gravitation, conducted experiments on light and optics. The famous apple story symbolizes this moment, not as a myth, but as a reminder of Newton's habit of questioning the ordinary. The laws of motion. Newton's 3 laws of motion describe how objects move. Law of inertia. Objects remain at rest or in motion unless acted upon by a force. Law of acceleration. Force equals mass times acceleration. F equals ma. Action and reaction. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. These laws are fundamental to engineering, transportation, space exploration. Even today, they remain essential to physics education worldwide. Universal gravitation. Newton proposed that gravity is a universal force acting between all objects with mass. This explained falling objects on Earth, planetary orbits, the motion of the moon. For the first time, Earth and the heavens were united under a single law, a revolutionary idea that transformed astronomy. Light, optics, and telescopes. Newton's work on optics revealed that white light is composed of multiple colors. Using prisms, he demonstrated refraction, reflection, color spectrum theory. To improve astronomical observation, Newton invented the reflecting telescope, eliminating distortion caused by earlier lenses. This invention remains the basis of modern telescopes. Principia, the book that changed science, 8:45 to 10 o'clock. In 1687, Newton published his most influential work, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica. Often called the most important scientific book ever written, Principia unified motion and gravity mathematically, introduced scientific laws with precision, dominated physics for centuries. It established Newton as the undisputed leader of the scientific revolution. Personality, rivalries, and later life. Newton was brilliant, but complex. He was secretive, emotionally sensitive, involved in disputes, notably with Robert Hooke and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz over calculus. Despite conflicts, Newton gained recognition. President of the Royal Society, Warden of the Royal Mint, knighted in 1705. He never married and lived a life devoted entirely to study and service. Death and everlasting legacy. Sir Isaac Newton died on March 31st, 1727 at the age of 84. He was buried in Westminster Abbey, among kings and heroes. His laws governed science until Einstein's relativity, and even today, Newton's principles remain vital. Newton once said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." Conclusion. Isaac Newton transformed curiosity into knowledge and questions into laws. From falling apples to moving planets, from light to motion, Newton revealed the hidden order of the universe. His legacy is not just science, it is the power of human thought.
Like, subscribe, and follow for more videos. Thanks for watching.